To change the format of values and their confidence intervals in prediction profilers and other jump graphs, change the format of the response column in the associated data table and then select Redo Analysis using the red triangle in the report. Using the body fat sample data, I have the profiler at the bottom of my fit model report, and I want to format the decimal places to a width of 2, like 0.01, only showing 2 places after the decimal point. In your data table, right-click the response column and select Column Info. In this example, it's percent body fat, the first column. Next to Format, we can change the formatting and values. I'm going to choose Fixed Decimal, 10 wide, at 2 decimals. We can drop down and reformat in multiple ways. Select Apply, then OK to close the Column Info window. Under the red triangle of the report, select Redo Analysis. And you can see here in our response values, they have a maximum of 2 decimals.